Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to shoot a bottle of Davidoff aftershave. We will use various lighting techniques to create various images. If this is something that interests you, I hope you're going to stick around and let's get into the video. We will need the following. We will need some coloured background card, one studio light, a reflector card, glass sheet and some small coloured lights. So firstly, let's set up our background and then we will put a large white card also on the right hand side of the product. Nextly, beside our reflector card, we will put our main light source, which has a softbox on it. So we need to set the ISO to 100, our aperture at f11 and our shutter speed for our very first shot set up at 1/60th of a second. And for the following shots where we use a light source that is causing a trail effect behind the product, we will need to use a shutter speed of 5 seconds. So the first shot will use 1/60th of a second shutter speed, and this will produce a shot with a darker glass bottle look. And this really strongly emphasizes the gradient light surface from our softbox on our main light source. And here underneath the glass table under the product you can see our light source here that's going to create a nice blue lighting effect up through the middle of the bottle, through the glass top table. So for our second exposure setting we will be using f11 and a 5-second shutter speed, and this longer exposure will allow us to pull up more of the ambient lighting along in conjunction with using the flash sync. This long exposure of 5 seconds will allow me to use the flash sync, but also allow me to create a streak pattern by moving my red light source around behind the bottle and also to the front of the bottle. This will create a lovely light trail that goes behind the bottle and streaks in front of the bottle also. So without any further delay, here are the images. I hope this video has been of help to you. If it was, it would be really great if you could like, subscribe and comment below for more similar content. Until the next time, thank you and bye for now.